In the set Z of integers, which of the following relation R is not an equivalence relation? So we need to verify among the four options which relation is not equivalence. So what is equivalence? It should be first reflexive, that is x is related to y, x is related to x for every x belongs to the given set. Your set is Z. And second one, symmetric. If x comma y belongs to R, implies y comma x must belongs to R for x comma y belongs to Z. That is symmetric. And coming to the transitive, if x comma y belongs to R and y comma z belongs to R, then x comma z must belongs to R. So these are the three cases we need to verify for the following, for the given four options. First one, if I can see, x is related to y if and only if x is less than or equals to y. So that is R is equal to, it is given ordered pair x comma y such that x comma y belongs to z and x is less than or equals to y. This is the condition. And here in this case, we can just consider that if x comma y, we know that every number can be less than or equals to, because there is an equality here. So for every x belongs to z, we can say that x comma x belongs to R, since x can be less than or equals to x. So we can say this is a reflexive. And coming to the next one, symmetric. Suppose if x comma y belongs to R, if x comma y belongs to R, which implies x is less than or equals to y, so which implies that y cannot be less than or equals to x. That means that y comma x does not belongs to your relation R, and hence we can say this is not a symmetric. Not a symmetric, and hence we can confirm that option A is the right. Which of the following is not in equivalence? So option A is not in equivalence. And if we can check the remaining cases, like second option, so orally let me discuss. X is equal to y given. X is equal to y means we can say that the relation every ordered pair is equal to, every element is equal to itself. So that is reflexive. If x is equal to y, then y is equal to x, that is symmetric. And transitive in the sense, if x is equal to y, y is equal to z, then x must be equal to z. So we can say that this is an equivalence. The relation with x is equal to y is an equivalence. And let us check the third option. X minus y is an even integer. So for every integer, the subtraction itself means x minus x is a 0. 0 is an even integer, we can say, so it is reflexive. And x minus y is an even integer, then y minus x is also an even integer, then we can say this is a symmetric. And if x minus y is an even integer, then y minus x is an even integer, then automatically x minus z is also an even integer. So this is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So it is also an equivalence, we can say. And coming to the fourth option here, x is related to y if x is congruent to y mod 3. So what is x congruent? Fourth option, let me write here. X is congruent to y mod 3. So that means x minus y is divisible by 3. This is a congruent definition. X is congruent to y mod 3 means x minus y is divisible by 3. That is x minus y is equal to 3 into something, some integer. So x minus y is equal to 3 into some integer. So x minus x, if I take for reflexive case, x minus y is 0. X minus x is 0. So 0, it is a multiple of 3, you can say, right? It is a reflexive. And symmetric case, if x minus y is a 3 multiple, then y minus x is also a multiple of 3. Then we can say it is a symmetric. And for transitive, if x minus y, let me write here. Let x comma y belongs to R. That means x minus y is equal to 3k1. Y comma z belongs to R. That is y minus z is equal to some 3k2. Now if I can add these both, so that I can get x minus z is equal to 3 times of k1 plus k2, where k1 and k2 are some integers. So k1 plus k2 is also integer. So what is that we can say here? X minus z is divisible by 3, right? 3 into something means it is divisible. So we can say x comma z belongs to R. So x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R, x comma z also belongs to R, and hence it is a transitive. And hence we can say fourth option is also equivalence. And so we can confirm that first option is the right answer, which is not an equivalence